Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 42 Lewis Street, apartment 2L. This is a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment in Worcester, Mass. And I just want to start out by showing you what it looks like when you come in through the front. So right behind me, that's the front door going out to the main common area hallway. Two ways to get in. There's either the front here or there's some outside stairs that lead up to the rear entrance. This is the front. So you got living room in here. There's the first bedroom to my left. It has these sliding doors that slide closed, turning that into the first bedroom. And then second bedroom is behind that wall over there. And I just want to kind of go around and give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place as I can. Just highlight some of the features. One of the greatest things is the hardwood floors. Very nice polished look to a lot of the floors in here. Nice and shiny. And in pretty good condition, it's not really scratched up or anything, so really nice with the hardwood floors there. You can see the big parlor heater here. So this is a very kind of efficient parlor heater. It's going to have a lot of power that go throughout the unit. And then here's bedroom number 1, almost the same size as the living room. You got a closet here. Once those doors close, it becomes an enclosed room. And then that other door just goes out to a balcony, which is very nice to see. And just going around, same size as the other one, probably could fit in this one, a king size bed, plus an entertainment system. Same thing with the living room, sectional couch and an entertainment system in there. So very nice to see kind of all the features with both of these. Also lots of light, these are pretty tall windows. Definitely let a lot of light in here. This is a bathroom. So you have, let me see. So you have kind of everything that you need in this bathroom. It's a full bath. And you have a toilet here, shower, sink, medicine cabinet right there. Has a little bit of shelving there, just basic essentials. Also an outlet plug right next to that, so really nice to see that. And if you come through here, this is bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 is also very large. I wouldn't say it's exactly the same size as the first bedroom, but it still has kind of all the space that you would need. Probably maybe also a king or queen size bed in here, plus a desk. Nice light coming in through the both the windows that it has in here. And a closet as well. This one's a little bit more comparable to a lot of the bedrooms that you'll see in Worcester apartments. So if you already live in Worcester, you kind of know how that is. This is the kitchen. So you got a 4-burner stove right there and the hookups for the washer and dryer machine. So in-unit laundry, washer and dryer, hot and cold water right there, plus the vent and plug-in for electric dryer. You can see an electric baseboard over here in the kitchen as well. Just make sure everything stays nice and toasty in the room. Looks very nice. Looks very nice. There's even space to put like a little dining room table in there. Through here is the kitchen pantry. So you got fridge here, freezer and fridge combo, as well as these extra shelves or cabinets. So you do have a lot of storage space here, a lot of counter space kind of across both rooms over here next to the sink. Yeah, if you want to see a full list of our vacancies, you can go to nexus.wor.com, go to our for rent page. There you'll see the vacancies. You could set up an appointment with a Nexus agent today. And this is 42 Lewis Street, apartment 2L. Once again, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.